Jonathan, and today we're going to be learning about nesting loops. Go use a loop inside another loop to move around a spiral. I'm going to skip the middle because it's very long and go to 1, 2, and 3, and then I'm going to go to the code. 1. Add a condition to the outer loop so that the inner loop repeats until your character is blocked. Adjust into your inner loop to move forward until there's a gem to collect. Once your character reaches a gem, collect the gem and turn left. So in this code, this is going to be actually the same thing as what the 1, 2, and 3 part said. So it says until your character is blocked. So we have to say not is blocked, and then for the next while we're going to say not is on gem. And then after that, not is blocked one, we're gonna say the code if is on gem. We're gonna collect gem and turn left every single time. Literally because it's like in a spiral, which makes it turn left every single time. And then in this condition, we're gonna say move forward because we have to have a condition to move forward. And after that, so in this code, I'm going to step through it. So it's not blocked. It's not blocked. So we have to move forward and we keep doing this. We keep doing this until we reach the gem because it says is not on gem. So now we are on gem. So we have to go if is on gem, collect gem, turn left. And then we're going to do the same thing again. I'm now going to run faster. And then I'm going to show you the weird part of this puzzle, where it's the bottom. Okay, and this part it turns left, and then it moves forward. It keeps doing this, and this one's going to get a little complicated. You think it's going to be wrong, but it isn't. You just do this thing. So it's going to move forward again. It's on gem again. It's not going to really glitch on this part, so it's just going to turn left. It's going to do that, and it's going to move forward. Then it's going to be if it's on gem, collect gem, turn left. And now it's blocked. Please subscribe to my channel if you like this video, and also leave a like. Bye!